Yeah, kayam siki roots Rastaman, kayam siki paramba. ALPHA-JIVE DJ music
presents a roots Rasta natty reggae music like bright red slang.
A song of peace, love and self-redemption, and freedom from mental slavery. Yeah, Manja Rastafari. As the sun is setting, the black moon is rising high up into the sky. Dark shadows of black clouds creeping, casting darkness all over. Oh Lord, yeah, I say, I see no more Mormon sunrise. No Billy Bird sing, wagging their tail over the stretching rainbow, and glorious moon in the sunshine. No more blue blooming flowers in the wild, giving life to nature. No more laughters of children, sharing women by the crystal clear riverbanks. Ooh, Lord, Jah, and I say, all there is waning, sprinting, and war cries in the backdrop of rattling gunshots. Houses and shells alike up in flames. All them our people, brother up against brother, father against father, gun against gun, and sword against sword. Ooh, Lord, Jah, we all Jah people, one people going against fighting each other.
Ain't no police, no governmental intervention. Who am I and I gotta blame? Can we blame politicians? Nah, no. It is us ourselves got to be blamed.
Can we blame the system, or those who are in the system? I say once more, who can we blame if we can't blame ourselves? I say we can pray day and night for 40 days and nights, forever for the mountain to come, but it ain't ever gonna come. Just like it, peace ain't gonna come from the government, nor the preacher mom, nor the government system. It is the baby loan system. Peace comes from within. I and Jah roots Rasta people. Heaven is within. I and I. So does peace is within. I find thyself and I find peace within. I save thyself and save thy sister. Yeah, man, Jah roots Rasta, natty drum. I say